Hello, my name is Rahib and I will be doing my creative piece on our recent micro teach, where we had the task of teaching the entire class about a subject of our choosing. The only rule was that we should not go over or to under 15 minutes. At the start of our lesson, we gave the entire class 3 minutes to make something that can fly using only a single piece of paper. They were not allowed to use their phones for any help, and they must do this task in groups. After each group had made their item, we collected everything in. Every group had made a paper airplane which we expected. We then had one person throw all paper airplanes to see which would travel the furthest. The furthest plane to travel would be declared the winner. Having one person throw all paper airplanes was important to ensure that the test was fair. After the test, we asked the class how something flies and what it requires to do so. Eventually, someone in the class said wings. This was the correct answer, but they did not know how a wing works. According to the principle of aerodynamics called Bernoulli law, fast-moving air is at low pressure when compared to slow-moving air, so the pressure above the wing is lower than the pressure below, and this is what creates the lift that powers the plane upwards and causes it to fly. After explaining to the class the theory of a wing and how a wing works, we told them that they had another chance at the task. They had to make the planes again, and that we would be testing them again on how far the planes would travel. This time they were allowed to use their phones, and we would also assist them. This time we helped the class in making their paper aeroplanes. They succeeded in throwing the paper planes further than they did from their previous attempts. This shows that they have met the success criteria and they have learnt something. Froebel developed a series of educational principles and practices centered around the idea that young children learn by playing. The aim of playing is to exercise and develop the child's power of independent movement. They are journeys of discovery. They are plays which enrich the child with perceptions and experiences. Our task shows that by playing, children do in fact learn.